Hello students, today we shall learn the continuation of the lesson 14, that is prepositions. Okay, so lesson 14, preposition. In the previous class we have learned what is the definition of the preposition, what is preposition, and the types of preposition. What are the types of preposition? Of place and position, of time, of direction. We have learned, and also we have discussed the different prepositions. Okay, where we have to use the different prepositions. So today we shall learn the preposition of time on page number 138. Preposition of time. You can also open page 138. Preposition of time. What is preposition of time? The definition of the preposition of time. Prepositions are used to indicate the time are called a preposition of time. Very simple, no? What is preposition of time? Prepositions of times are used to indicate times are called a preposition of time. What are the, for example, what are the examples of preposition of time? At, on, in, by, from, since, before, after, during, still, and so on. Okay, so what is today we will discuss about the preposition of time. What is the definition? It discusses about the preposition. These are the prepositions which indicate the time are called a preposition of time. And what are the prepositions we used? At, on, in, and etc. Okay. So, for example, I shall meet you, your mother, at 7 a.m. in the school. Okay. At 7 a.m. here. It is the preposition of time. At. The preposition at is used in the sentence to denote different thing. The preposition of time. The first sentence, I shall meet you at 7 o'clock. I shall meet you at 7 a.m. At here. Here at is used to indicate, to give the information about the exact time of the meeting. Okay, here the at indicates the exact, at what time you are going to meet? At 7 a.m. It indicates the time of meeting. Okay, and some more prepositions I will just give to you. Okay, after, preposition of after. It refers to the time following the completion of an action. We use the preposition of after for the completion of the action. For example, I reached the station after the train left. The train has already left, then I reached. So either the completion of the action, we use which preposition? After. So once again I can repeat that same thing. It refers after, it refers the time of the following the completion of the action. I reached the station after the train left. The next preposition is around. Around. It denotes the tentative time. A little time before, later. Before or after. A little time before or after. Around. We use the preposition around. For example, I can meet you around 8 a.m. in the morning. So exactly it is not pointing. Around. It means after or before or after. Around. At 8 o'clock. Not exactly 8 o'clock he will not meet you. It is around. Before or after. Okay, that is the preposition we use around. At. Preposition of at. Where we use the preposition of at. It denotes the time of an action which could be specific or non-specific. Okay, for example, I will meet you at 5 o'clock. So we can say it is at here it is a specific period. We talk about the specific time. At 5 o'clock I meet you. That's the specific time it is given. The next example, it is given here specific or non-specific things. When we talk about, we use at, the preposition of at. So the second thing, that is, there is so much unrest at present. There is so much unrest at present. That means it is non-specific. It is. Okay, non-specific. So we can say that a specific time also, non-specific time also, we use the preposition of at. That's next one is before. It refers to the time or a prior to the beginning of an action. Okay, I finished my dinner before replying to the letter. Here I finished my dinner before preparing the replying the letter. So before writing the letter, I have already finished my dinner. So it refers to the time prior to the beginning of the action. The action is before action begins, I have already finished my dinner. Okay. The next one, between. It denotes the duration amidst 2 points of time. Okay. So please call me between 8:30 a.m. and 10. Between that time you have to call. It denotes the duration of amidst the 2 points of the time. Before 8:30 or 10, between that time you can call me. Now by, it indicates the time limit or a deadline. The work will be over by 7 in the evening. By, there is a deadline or a time limit it is given. We use the preposition by. Okay, the work should be over by 7 p.m. Okay, that is limited time it is given. Within that time, you should be finishing your work. The next one is during. It denotes the duration of an action. I cooked during the weekend. I cooked during the weekend. It is given the duration of the time. So next preposition is for. It indicates the length of an action or how long an action has been going on. For. Okay. I have been waiting for you for the last 2 hours. How long I have been waiting? The last 2 hours I have been waiting. The duration of the time it indicates. Okay. And also, Aditha studies at least for 3 hours every day. Aditha studies how many hours every day? For 3 hours every day. That means the duration of the time it is indicating. Okay. From. The preposition of from. It indicates the time beginning from an action. From the program will be telecast from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. When it will be telecasted? From the beginning of an action. Okay, we use the preposition from. In, it indicates the period of time. Okay, it indicates the period of time or a part of a day or a future time. It was sunny in the morning. It was sunny in the morning. It was the part of a day. It is the morning. It was sunny. At the end of the day, it was very cold. Okay, so we can say that. So in it is indicates a period of time, a part of the day, or a future time. Okay, these are the few prepositions. And on also, it indicates dates and days. My birthday is on such and such a day. Okay, you can say your birthday also. Okay, date. Which day is your birthday? Okay, so my birthday is on 9th May. Okay, so on, it indicates the date and days. Since, it refers to the point of beginning of an action. Since, I have been waiting here since morning. From the morning onwards, I have been waiting. And what happened then? Since we use here. Okay, it refers to the point of the beginning of an action. Okay, understood? No? Now, to, it indicates the point of termination of an action. The school will be closed for Christmas from Monday to Friday. The pointing out, to, from Monday to Friday. Okay. Until, it denotes the continuation of an action till a certain point of time. That also, till, you should study till you finish your preparation. Okay. So, till you finish your preparation for the exam, you should study. Don't stop studying. Continuation. You have to continue study and only you will get your good marks, isn't it? So, you have to, don't leave the studies, you have to continue your studies till you finish your portion. That's so, this denote the continuation of an action. We use the preposition until. Understood, children? Okay, these are the things, and also there is an exercises which is given here. You will be doing it by yourself, that exercise, and completing that. So now one more point is left behind, that is preposition of direction. Okay, that we will learn in the next class, and till then we will complete it.